Okay, so I just wanted to share with you today something that I use with Google, and it's an extension called Glasp. Now, I will share my screen, and here you go. So if you go to glasp.co, I'll just get rid of these other things that are on my screen. It's just an extension that I use on YouTube, and I'll show you the power of it. So you just log in. I log in through Google. You get the browser extension once you log in. Now, I will give an example. All right, so let's go to YouTube. And I'm probably in under my IGT login. So I will go down to view my channel. And okay. All right. So Darren's got a podcast there on Michael the Candyman Entrepreneur and many things differently. And I'll just mute it because you don't need to hear it right now. But this is what my YouTube looks like. And we can see here. All right. So Darren, he's got when Michael was 10 years old, little expert from the book. Cool. Okay. And someone down here has written something SEO. Okay, we can probably ignore that. Now, with YouTube, you get a couple of different things up here. You can go summarize, which is, again, one of the plugins that I've got. This gives me a straight up summary of everything. But what I don't like about AI really, when you give summaries, is all these little logos, but you can train it to sort that. This platform here, I can actually link it as a bit of a chat bot to ask questions about the video. That's not what I'm doing right now. Right here, this down here where it's got transcript and summary is where the Glasp plugin sits on my YouTube. Now, all I need to do is a couple of things. One, you've got this find a summary article. So what it's doing is it's bringing up a summary of the video itself, but it's very basic, okay? But what I've done is you get this little wool symbol here, which is the ChatGPT. Now, I've done something different with this one. I've gone a little bit 10x in the background, but if I click on that, now this can be any video on YouTube, like any video on YouTube. I click on that, and I'm running it through a custom GPT that I built for video transcription and SEO expert. So what it's got here is the transcript. It's now pulled the transcript from YouTube, and it looks like just verbal diarrhea on a page. It's all come out in all of its words, no grammar. But I have put a request in the back end, and so now it's given me a description on this video. Great, episode 47, Michael the Candyman. Join Darren Hunter and Michael Sands. Well, I've probably got to tell them how to do my surname in this captivating episode of the Unbusy Podcast Show. Discover how Michael, dubbed the Elon Musk and Steve Jobs of property management, revolutionized the industry by thinking outside the box. This episode is not just about property management, it's about the entrepreneurial spirit, innovative thinking, and turning challenges into opportunity. In this episode, Michael shares his extraordinary journey from selling candies in primary school to becoming a successful property manager. So you've got here, and then we have some links there, but I need to put those links in, okay? Oh, no, actually, if you look down on the bottom left of the screen, Michael, teamsbydesigntasks.com, Instagram. Okay, so what I can do is I can add my links in there when I copy it over. So let me just go copy. And I'm going to go come back here. So this is for SEO, right? So YouTube knows a bit more about what I'm doing with this video. So I would just go Control A, Control V. And look, yes, go through and change all the British, change it to British spelling, not American spelling. Episode of it, and that's one word for unbusy for us. Key takeaways. I can frame it a bit differently. Okay, I can frame that a little bit differently. But what I can do, I can actually go www.youtube.com, and let's plug Teams by Design, because it's all about outsourcing. And then if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, I think it's www.linkedin.com/Michael Sands. Okay, and then you go through and you make those changes. But what I'll do is I will change all this here, and you can probably hear my daughter in the background yelling at me. So just bear with me because they have all just woken up. I'm just going to delete this for now, but I'll come back in later and I'll add my links. And then I go save. And bang, what we have now is the YouTube video there, and we've got the full breakdown there on what the video is about using heavy keyword searches. So I will share with you the link for my custom GPT. You can always put a transcript in there and you can use that to create similar content like this.